Welcome to the channel, Silky's Closet June 2018 haul and purchases. So some more presents we're still buying because Eid is this month. So I'm going to start with a bunch of men's stuff. So this is a hoodie I picked up in the store. This colour is all in. It looks quite fashionable. And these sleeves are quite funky. Some zippers. So this is a present for my nephew. It's a cool present to buy. It's supply and demand. Some boys' cargo trousers in khaki with a drawstring, and you can fold up the bottoms and pin them so they're 3/4 length. These are from H&M, and I used the H&M Club app again, so I got discount, I got points, and it's free delivery with the H&M Club app always. So these were $9.49. Some more toys. This is a slime DIY kit for my cousin. She's into slime, so I found this one. It's pretty cool. You make slime yourself in these couple of steps. It's got all different stuff with it, glitter, confetti, surprises. It's pretty cool. The packaging's cool. And this is just an extra one for her to use with the slime DIY kit to make slime. And this is a really cool toy. My son is really into Mario. It's a blue shell, spinny shell and tape bracer, so he's got a bunch of figurines, so he can add this to his collection and play with it. I love these Mario toys. He's really into them. They're cool. They all look like the world of Nintendo games. Okay, in this part of the video I'm going to do a whole bunch of stuff that I bought and that's been given to me. So let's start with some men's clothes. This is from H&M, a t-shirt for summer, a white one, quite cool with the black pocket and spots. Another t-shirt which is the Kanye West type of style and colour. It's quite cool for men's. These are size small. A long sleeve polo neck one which is purple. Colour is really big for the summer. So the t-shirts were all under a tenner, and the polo tops just about over a tenner, like $12.99. And I used the H&M Club app again, which means I got discount, which was around £8, and I got free delivery, and I ordered it all online, so that's good. H&M has good stuff for men, cheap stuff. Okay, these are some Ted Baker pyjamas. The colour's nice. The print is like Chinese oriental bird style. It's quite cool. These are comfy pyjamas. And these are the bottoms. They have the cuff bottoms, which are all in fashion, and there's not really much price difference with the Ted Baker designer ones compared to River Island or High Street ones. So you can buy these kind of like a silky material, kind of like my name of my channel. So now a bunch of stuff from Primark. This is the little bag my mum bought for my daughter for Eid. It's quite cute. It was a £5. Some everyday essentials. These are £2.50 vests for boys age 8 to 9. I needed some black scrunchies. I always wear this around the house under my scarf. These are £1 for a pack of 3, and they're stretchy ones. I always go for specific ones. Some girls flip-flops were only 90p. These are size 10 to 11 kids. My daughter's age 6, so she can wear them around the house, out and about. And I bought her some nail polish as well. This was only 60p. She wanted some nail polish for Eid. This is quite nice. It's a glitter one. Girls' cute pyjamas. This is Ariel Flounder, age 6 to 7, £7. T-shirt and shorts. These are really cute. Elsa ones, £7 with shorts. Okay, I'm going to finish the video up with a bunch of bits and pieces. Some toiletries, some household stuff. So this is a box grater. Not a box grater. This is like, I don't even know what shape it is. But these are really cool to hold and grate. They go all different sides. And some knives which are jagged edge and black handle. I'm left-handed, so I need specific knives to cut vegetables, onion, tomato, whatever. So these are the ones I always need to get. I recommend I have to search them out. They're not vegetable knives, but these are the ones I get. This knife I use to cut meat. If I'm going to cut chicken, meat, whatever, it's the plain edge one. Because I'm left-handed, I can't use all regular types of knives. And some bottles. This one's from Smiggle for my daughter. This was a £5. Smiggle's got a sale on. There actually are sales everywhere, so you should go and check out the stores. They got sales everywhere. This is cool. It's got a little handle and is bright and really cute. This one is for me. These are all now in the stores. You can put the lemon, the lime, whatever you want to put in there, ice, and it doesn't have a separator thing like the other ones. It was cheap, so I just bought it. I needed one. and then you can just drink it like that. And this is beard balm I bought for my husband. Before I couldn't find any beard care stuff in the stores, but now it's everywhere, it's a big market. All the item details will be in the description, so check them out. I like to use nose strips. This is T-Zone, which has witch hazel and tea tree, so it smells really nice. And it gets all the hair off your nose as well, and it takes out the blackheads and stuff. I like using these. The final item for the video of June 2018 haul and purchases is detangler spray. I use this to do my daughter's hair. She's 6, so I spray this on dry hair in the morning when I'm getting her ready for school. It's easier to brush her hair, keep it tidy, put the bobbles in, the clips. So this is L'Oreal Kids Detangler Spray. Thanks for watching my haul, June 2018 haul and purchase. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Any comments, leave it in the comment section. Check out the description for all the items details. Check out my other videos, and thank you for watching.